Hello everyone, welcome to DC Minds. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to see another C programming concept called precedence, precedence and associativity. So let's see what exactly it is. So basically, first let's see in mathematics way. So in math, we have mhm, suppose we have a expression like this 2 plus 3 into 4. So how this expression has to be evaluated is defined by a rule called BODMAS. So whether this multiplication should happen first or the addition should happen first is defined by a rule called BODMAS. So the rule says bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So in this case it says if something is in bracket then it will be performed first, then division will be performed, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So this equation will be evaluated like this. So first 3 into 4 will be evaluated, means it will be performed, multiplication will be performed, then addition. So 3 into 4 will become 12 and this 2 plus 12 it will be 14. So this is how this expression will be evaluated according to this BODMAS rule in mathematics. Similarly, we have another expression like this 2 plus 3 in bracket into 4. So what will happen, this whatever is there in the bracket that will get evaluated first. So he, as this rule says, so 2 plus 3 will be 5. So here we will get 5 and then we will have multiplication by 4. So then in this case it will become 20. The result will be 20. So to achieve this same order of means the evaluating the expression, we have two concept in uh, C programming. One is called precedence and another is called associativity. So the precedence says defines the order in which this uh, operation has to be carried out. Basically, precedence means for each operation, this plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication for each. This is called operator. This operator is having some value defined. We'll see in next slide. We'll see what exactly these values are. But for each of this operator and this operation plus addition, there is a uh, value defined. So this will say in which order. Basically it will say whether we should carry out this multiplication first, then addition, and then we have another concept called associativity. What do I mean by this is, like if suppose this two operators is having same kind of precedence, means there is a two operator and they for each operator is having same value, same precedence value, then as we know in C programming, for each of these operators there is a precedence value defined. So if two operator is having same precedence, then which operator has to be evaluated first. So in this equation like this, suppose 2 plus 3 into 4 divided by 2. So in this case, whether multiplication has to be carried out first or division, that rule is defined by this associativity in C programming, because this multiplication and division is having same precedence in C programming. So let's see the precedence of various operator in C programming. So this table will say the precedence value of each operator in C programming. So we have an operator like plus plus and this bracket and this array is open bracket close bracket. So these are the various operator which says whose precedence value is 1, means it is highest for it, means this has to be performed first. And then we have another operator called plus plus, um, plus minus, minus minus. So this is called pre-increment, decrement. So this has to be performed next, means it is having second priority. Okay, and similar to that, this is there is a multiplication and then division, then modulus means remainder operator. So this is having third priority. So like this there are so many, for each operator there are various priority defined. So this is what nothing but the precedence value for each operator. So now in this, let's take an example, understand this precedence and associativity. So in this case, suppose we have a expression like 2 plus 3 into 4. So as from this table we can see this is nothing but the multiplication operation. So what will happen, and this is 2 plus is addition. So what is there? 3. So my for multiplication this precedence value is 3. So in this case what will happen, and addition this addition value is 4. So 3 is the 3 top 3 means this is of higher priority. In this it is other way. So this is will get evaluated first. So 3 into 4 will happen first, that will be 12, and then it is having fourth priority. So this will get happen, this addition will get happen first. So it will value will be 14 in this case. Now let's take an another example. We have 2 plus 3 into 4 divided by 2. So if we see here, this plus is having 4, so that is fine, but this multiplication and this division is having same priority. If you see, the priority is same in this case. So in this case, whether division has to be carried out first or multiplication has to carry out, that will be defined by this rule called associativity. So associativity said it can be either left to right evaluation or right to left. So in case of this multiplication, division and remainder, this is left to right. So left to right means what will happen, first 3 into 4 will carry out, and then whatever the result will come from this, then that will get divided by 2. So, and then this operation, this addition will happen. So in this case what will happen, first 3 into 4, so 3 into 4 will be 12, and then this 12 will get divided by 2, so that will become 6, and then 2 plus it will become 6. So it will be this equation 2 will get evaluated to uh, 6 plus 2 8, 2 plus 8 is 6 actually. So this is how the associativity rule is helping to evaluate the uh, expression. So both precedence and associativity rules are used. Now we saw how left to right associativity is used. Let's see another example where we can use right to left associativity. So we have, let's see, we have a variable a, and a is having 4 and b is having 5, and we have a expression like this: a plus plus means pre-increment a, then add means plus, and then decrement b. So what will happen here, this pre-increment and decrement is having same precedence, means it is having two priority, top priority 2, and this plus symbol indicates this addition. So this addition is having fourth priority, but this pre-increment decrement is having second priority. So this minus minus and plus plus is having same priority. So in this case, how it says, what it says, associativity rule says is we should evaluate from right to left. So what will happen, first is minus minus will get evaluated. So first minus minus, and then what will happen when we do minus minus, what will happen is this value will get decremented by 1. Minus minus indicates that. So b will go become 4, and then plus plus will happen because it is having two priority 2 than this 4 priority. So what will happen, plus plus will happen here. So value of a was 4, now it will become 5, and then this plus plus operation has given value 5, and this minus minus has given value 4. Then now this 5 plus 4 will happen, and then result will is given. So this is how associativity and precedence are used to evaluate expression in C programming. And if you are a engineering student and other computers course you have taken, then uh, for exam purpose you should remember this precedence value of each operators and this associativity rules. So if in case if we have same precedence, how to evaluate either right to left or left to right. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other video to see other C programming concept.